AI-powered SEO tools are at the forefront of digital marketing, reshaping the way businesses optimize their online presence. These innovative tools leverage artificial intelligence to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of search engine optimization, SEO strategies. Number 1. Understanding AI in SEO. AI-powered SEO, or search engine optimization, is a revolutionary approach that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and smart algorithms to transform the way we optimize our content for search engines. It's a game changer that empowers us to enhance our digital presence, connect with our target audience, and rise to the top of search engine rankings. Traditional SEO involved a lot of manual work, from keyword research and content creation to on-page optimization and link building. However, with AI-driven SEO, the process becomes incredibly efficient and effective. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data, uncover hidden patterns, and generate valuable insights at a speed that no human could match. At its core, AI-powered SEO is about understanding user intent. Number 2, the future of SEO. The future of SEO is an exciting frontier where AI plays a leading role. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, we can anticipate a slew of advanced tools that will revolutionize the way we optimize websites. These tools will not only make the process more intuitive, but also remarkably effective. Let's dive into what the future holds for SEO in this AI-powered era. In the coming years, AI will be our trusty guide in deciphering ever-changing search engine algorithms. It will provide real-time insights into user behavior, enabling us to tailor our strategies with precision. We'll see a proliferation of AI-driven content generation tools, allowing us to create high-quality, relevant content effortlessly. Number 3. On-page SEO. In the realm of SEO, we've already covered how AI is revolutionizing keyword research and competitor analysis. Now let's zoom in on on-page SEO, another critical element of optimizing your website. With AI, the process of fine-tuning your on-page elements becomes a breeze. Imagine having an AI assistant that can crawl your website, analyze every nook and cranny, and pinpoint areas for improvement, all in the blink of an eye. On-page SEO encompasses various factors that impact your website's visibility in search engine results. This includes optimizing meta tags, header tags, content structure, and more. Traditionally, this could be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, but AI changes the game. AI-powered tools can swiftly scan your website, identifying issues like missing meta tags, duplicated content, and poorly optimized headers. Number 4. Content optimization. AI plays a critical role in optimizing content for digital marketing and SEO. It can enhance content quality by analyzing readability, grammar, and style, identifying issues like spelling errors, and suggesting improvements. AI also provides valuable insights into keyword analysis, evaluating keyword competitiveness, and search volume to recommend relevant terms and phrases for content integration, aligning it with search intent. Furthermore, AI aids in structuring and formatting content by suggesting the use of headings, bullet points, and lists to improve readability and user engagement, both of which are vital for SEO. It can also recommend optimal content length based on the topic and competition. Detecting duplicate content is another AI capability, assisting content creators in maintaining content uniqueness, which is crucial for SEO. Number 5. User behavior analysis. AI-driven user behavior analysis is a powerful tool for businesses looking to understand and optimize their online presence. By tracking and analyzing user interactions with a website, AI can offer valuable insights into user behavior patterns. These insights go beyond simple page view counts. They delve into how users engage with content, how long they stay on a page, which pages they visit, and their navigation paths. AI can also identify the sources of traffic, whether it's from organic search, social media, referrals, or direct visits. One of the key advantages of AI-powered user behavior analysis is its ability to segment user data. This means that businesses can group users based on various criteria, such as demographics, location, device type, and more. Number 6. Competitor analysis. AI has transformed the landscape of competitor analysis. It's not just about monitoring what competitors are doing. It's about extracting meaningful insights to gain a competitive edge. AI's contributions to this field are multifaceted. It enables businesses to collect and analyze data more comprehensively, providing a holistic view of their competitors. This includes details on website traffic, the keywords competitors are ranking for, backlink profiles, content strategies, and social media performance. One of the most significant advantages of AI in competitor analysis is its ability to uncover keyword opportunities. Number 7. Link building. AI has significantly enhanced the practice of link building, offering advanced capabilities to identify quality backlink opportunities and ensure the health of existing backlinks. The importance of backlinks in SEO is undeniable, and AI is playing a crucial role in optimizing this aspect of digital marketing. AI tools can efficiently scan the web and analyze countless websites to identify potential backlink opportunities. This process eliminates the need for manual outreach, which can be time-consuming and less effective. AI can discover relevant websites and pages that are open to accepting guest posts or linking to high-quality content. Moreover, AI assists in assessing the health of existing backlinks. This is particularly important because not all backlinks are beneficial. Number 8. Local SEO. AI-powered tools have become crucial in assisting businesses to optimize their online presence for local search engine optimization, SEO. This is especially vital for businesses targeting local markets, where visibility in local searches is paramount. AI technology plays an integral role in ensuring their presence in local searches and driving potential customers to their physical or online stores. One of the fundamental aspects where AI aids in local SEO is local keyword research. AI tools can analyze vast datasets to identify high-value local keywords. This ensures that a business's content and website are optimized for keywords that local customers use when seeking services or products. It not only identifies the relevant keywords but also provides insights into their search volumes, competition, and trends, enabling businesses to align their strategies accordingly. Number 9. Rank tracking. AI's capabilities in rank tracking have significantly transformed the way businesses and website owners monitor their website's performance in search engine results pages, SERPs. Traditional rank tracking was often time-consuming and required manual monitoring, but AI has streamlined this process, making it efficient and insightful. AI tools for rank tracking are equipped to monitor website rankings across various search engines and locations with high precision and speed. These tools continuously track keyword positions and provide real-time or near real-time updates on how a website is performing in SERPs. One of the significant advantages of AI in rank tracking is its ability to provide not only the ranking position but also valuable insights. AI algorithms can analyze ranking data and identify patterns or trends. For example, they can detect if a specific keyword has recently dropped in rankings and correlate this change with an algorithm update. Number 10. Voice search. Optimization. AI's capabilities in rank tracking have significantly transformed the way businesses and website owners monitor their website's performance in search engine results pages, SERPs. Traditional rank tracking was often time-consuming and required manual monitoring, but AI has streamlined this process, making it efficient and insightful. AI tools for rank tracking are equipped to monitor website rankings across various search engines and locations with high precision and speed. These tools continuously track keyword positions and provide real-time or near real-time updates on how a website is performing in SERPs. One of the significant advantages of AI in rank tracking is its ability to provide not only the ranking position, but also valuable insights. AI algorithms can analyze ranking data and identify patterns or trends. For example, they can detect if a specific keyword has recently dropped in rankings and correlate this change with an algorithm update. These insights are essential for making data-driven decisions and adjusting SEO strategies promptly. AI-powered SEO tools represent a significant leap forward in digital marketing. They offer businesses the ability to streamline and enhance their SEO efforts, ultimately leading to improved online visibility and increased organic traffic. As AI continues to evolve, these tools are expected to play an even more pivotal role in the digital landscape.